Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will use up some colors that are left in my split cup. I took out the dividers that I used for my previous pour that I will link in the cards if you want to see it. I had the colors that I used were Opera Rose, Permanent Blue Violet, Magenta, self-mix metallic turquoise, iridescent blue-green, and Prussian blue, and I have a little bit of phthalo green left in my cup, and I have some white. So I decided that I will just layer all the colors into that cup there are a little bit of paint left in the bottom, and then I just layered all those colors that I have left in my cups. So I just used the colors, that it was not a lot. So yeah. And I did, for my flow extender, I have some scrape offs from the previous pour too. So I just wanted to use all the paints that were left from my previous. So this is the scrape off paint that I had. And I'm pouring from up high at first, and then I'm coming closer to the canvas, so I get different kind of look, more like mixed colors mixed with each other, and more like defined lines, like feathery ones. I really like the final result. I had some problems with one part because this opera rose is really bright, and I want this feather of opera rose to be kind of a centerpiece of my painting, or how can I say, you will see when I will tilt this around. But the final result is really gorgeous, so I really want to invite you to watch this one. I will show you the dried results at the end too. So now I will let you listen to some music and enjoy. So here she is dry. I really love this painting. I had a little problem with this part when I was tilting, because you know it was just a little too much pink for this part. I want this to be kind of I don't know what, but because of this top part with that kind of a sky-like pattern, I want to have a little more feathery here. This is the metallic that we mixed with the pearl. I love these parts here too a lot. Just beautiful. There is so many beautiful details in here. And this part here, I just love it. Trying to show the shimmer maybe this way. It's just beautiful. I love it. I love this color combination together. I love turquoises and pinks, and I love turquoises and reds and oranges together. So yeah, she's beautiful. It's like some kind of, I don't know. Tell me in the comments what this painting reminds you of. And of course, if you like it, like, share, subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. And thanks for being here. See you again on the next one. Bye.